Understanding a sprinkle of salt in English. Hello, everyone. Today, we're diving into an interesting English phrase, a sprinkle of salt. This phrase is not only common in cooking contexts but also carries metaphorical meanings in everyday English. Let's explore what it really means and how you can use it in your conversations. Firstly, let's look at the literal meaning. In cooking, a sprinkle of salt refers to adding a small amount of salt to a dish. It's about using salt sparingly to enhance the flavor without making the food too salty. This concept is easy to grasp and is a part of everyday cooking. Moving on to the metaphorical usage, a sprinkle of salt is often used to describe adding a small amount of something to improve or change a situation. For example, adding a sprinkle of humor in a speech. It implies subtlety and moderation, suggesting that a little goes a long way. Let's look at some examples to understand this better. 1. In conversation, just add a sprinkle of salt to the story, and it will be perfect. Here, it suggests adding a slight exaggeration or a humorous element to make the story more interesting. 2. In advice, give your opinion, but with a sprinkle of tact. This means to express your thoughts gently, without being too direct or harsh. 3. In criticism, he has a habit of taking everything with a sprinkle of salt. This implies that the person doesn't take things too seriously or always adds a bit of skepticism. It's also important to understand the cultural context. In some cultures, phrases like a pinch of salt or a grain of salt might be more common, and they carry similar meanings. Knowing these variations can help in understanding English as it's used in different regions. I hope this video helps you understand and use the phrase, a sprinkle of salt, more confidently in your English conversations. Remember, it's all about adding just the right amount, whether it's salt in a dish or a figurative element in your communication. Stay curious and keep learning. See you in the next video.